Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sequin, as you see right here. Today, the main topic of today's video is going to be how to find a valid supply and demand area, POI, order block. You can call it whatever you want. But uh, I'm just going to draw something like a illustration, and then I'm going to show you on the actual chart. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you know how the trend moves, all right? Here, something like that. Okay, here. We move to the outside, something like that, okay? That's So right now, where do we find supply and demand areas? Okay, we find around. Okay, I'm gonna talk about demand areas. This is the last actual point that cause a break of structure, and also like I'm gonna talk about what I look for a valid supply and demand area. So right now, okay, here we have the demand area. What am I looking for in this demand area for it to be valid? Okay, first of all, I look for imbalance above it. Okay, so IMB. Then I have the second thing that I look for, which is the, of course, to cause a break of structure. Okay, and the last thing, I look for liquidity tag. Okay, basically just liquidity, which I'm gonna like explain it right now. So let's just go like back on the charts. You can just like screenshot this. You can call like whatever you want. But let's just go to the charts. So I use the replay tool, and I want to give you an example. All right. So this is the 4 hour time frame. You can use it like on whatever time frame you want. So let's just this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay. After we came back right here, this is the last candle. Okay, the last candle. Like no matter if it's like a buy or sell candle, that caused a break of structure around here. As you can see, it has imbalance right here. We didn't manage to have the mitigation, and like I said, I'm waiting for the liquidity. Okay, liquidity type. Right now on the lower time frame, okay, if you want to refine it, this is gonna be itself a liquidity tuck. So let's see where this came from. Okay, as you can see, it built like more liquidity, and after that, from here, it just goes to the opposite. All right. So this is like the month area which I'm going to look for. For example, let's just use right here. I'm going to use the reply by the replay tool, and I'm going to try to find another one. Let's go to the 4 hour time. So here we go. Right now, like we have a lot of movement right here going on. So yeah, here we have a clear example. Right now, I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. So I was talking about this thing right here. I'm going to circle it out. Let's go to the lower time frame because I cannot find it. All right, here. So we have this candle right here itself. As you can see, it was mitigated. Right here, we have liquidity. I was talking about the liquidity tuck that needs to get liquidated before we actually see our mitigation right here. Okay, when this thing was right here, we mitigated and then continue to push the analysis. So this is what we like to see, and you want to like take care of these types of like opportunities. Okay, like you could have your stop loss just above the supply area or a demand area, just okay, just below that. And as you can see, like you could aim for this low. Okay, then you can partial out, have your stop losses at the break even or something like just as high. And then after that, you can let your take profit go. So let me know what your thoughts about this video. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out and have